Our next hands-on Deek Brothers Tiny House Workshop, Joshua Tree.
Hey, what's up, Deek? RelaxShacks.com here at my HQ of sorts, the world of weirdness. Want to pass on a quick message to you guys. This isn't a tiny house tour here. We got many of those on the way. And we have the Joshua Tree Workshop hands-on as well, Deek Brothers style. But, 3 buts. That's a lot of butts. Coming up in Vermont, there's a home and garden show outside Burlington. This will be my 4th year doing it, being part of it. I get nothing out of saying this, but the woman who runs it, Maureen, is looking for tiny houses. I'm making this into a video because all the time people are asking me, Deek, where can I bring my tiny house? I want to show it off. Or Deek, it's a tiny house builder. Where can I bring my tiny house to try to increase my business space or my following, what have you. So outside Burlington, Vermont, the second to last weekend in April is the Vermont Home and Garden Show. It's a lot of fun. This is my 4th year doing it. If it wasn't fun, I would not do it. So Maureen this year is looking for more tiny houses. If you want to bring your tiny house on wheels, your structure, or whatever up there to show it off, there's a spot potentially waiting for you. Just talk to her, and you can spend the night in your tiny house in the indoor facility to save money while you're up there. You will be fed as well, and it's just a really cool atmosphere, and they're really good people. So I get nothing out of this, I promise you. I just want this event to be cooler, bigger, better, and Vermont is a very fun and beautiful state. So the email is right down here. Shoot a message to Maureen if you as a tiny house builder or just someone who has a tiny house they want to show off might be interested, and I hope to see you up in Vermont.